Friends, welcome back to my channel. I hope all of you are fine and doing well in your lives. Guys, my today's video contains a very beautiful and unique, some more creative ideas for those who are beginners of hand embroidery, lovers of hand embroidery. They want to create unique, fantastic and stylish designer type patterns of dresses, gowns, maxis, frocks, everyday wear, normal, comfortable outfits, some sort of formal dresses, and for every age group these design groups are very familiar and very trending. You can design these very beautiful patterns for the dresses of women, girls, teenagers, as per your choices and criteria. So I hope that you are liking the ideas and designs. And the beauty of these designs is that exactly these matching pattern based borders on sleeves and different patterns of your shawls, stalls or scarves could also be made. The 3D beauty enhancements of these design patterns give the maker, embroidery artist a more creative and unique piece of their hand art. As a result of this, you can grow your business massively by gathering the attention of massive clients by making these patterns and exactly following these color combinations. If you are a hand embroidery artist lover or in search of new startup and you are finding some new unique and trendy patterns that are highly demanding, then friends, you are at a very right platform and you are watching exactly the required video which you were searching for. So leave comments so that we could get to know what you feel about our content. Don't forget to subscribe and like, and for with liking, please share my videos with your friends and family, and hope to see you soon in my new upcoming videos. Up till then, take care of yourselves.